Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelist Club. We're going to take up the Freewing F-16 70 millimeter, and if you can see the flashing lights on there, I got the easy lights installed. That way I can see this blue-gray plane on a blue-gray sky. Flying in my mid rates, which for me is 75% throws over 15% expo. All right, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder, and I have programmed in flaperons.
Takeoff flaps.
So with just a little bit of a down deflection on the
takeoff flaps.
On the elevator, so a little bit of a down mix. All right, well, I'm stalling now, so let me make sure I'm filming. And this is a remaiden because I had to completely redo it in the computerized DX9. Had to start with a completely new model, and I had to do flaperons now. So right, left, all right. Here we go.
Up, gear up.
Oh, she's flying good.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, she'll definitely precision roll. That's for sure.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Nope, I don't like them. Let me come by slow. I don't like them because I have very little aileron control then. Coming by slow, just to make sure my gear is down, and it is. Okay. All right. Even though she came in awfully hot. Oh, I know, I still got it. Thought maybe I left my...
High rate.
I think I'm gonna go with high rates. Oh, looks like my green light finally gave out. But I do need to charge them, so. Come on now, come on. Love that suspension on there. All right, we're gonna go with high rates this time. Minute and 58, well, basically 2 minutes. All right.
Gear up. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Gear down. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, still got 1 minute. Whoa. Think I like high rates best. Gonna leave the flaps gear down for this one. I sure am glad that that red light and the green light or the red light and the white light are still active.
30 seconds. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Well, at least I didn't lose my nose cone this time.
20 seconds.
Not bad at all. Probably can land her slower than that, but speed when jets means stability. So, all right, there you go. Let's take, what do you want to hear?
Motor off.
Motor off. All right, and let's see how much juice is left in the tank. As GB Linden likes to say, and on John HC when he's on his channel, 47% on a 4,000. This is an Amazon brand battery. It's Sycon something 4000 ADC discharge 6S, and that's where I've got her. Seems to balance real well right there. So with the butt end of the 4000 just underneath the battery hatch there, so I like that. All right, there you go, folks. And remember the other day on my yak videos, I was telling you that I had taken the well, probably bent that nose gear on that last landing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bind it up, but that's an easy fix. All that is, it's pressing too hard on the inside bulkhead. Carve a little foam out and bend your gear back out just a touch, and she'll come right back up. So, but anyways, I was telling you the other day that on my Yak 130 in one of my videos, I want to say, I think it made the low light one, that I had the receiver from the crashed F-16 that went down over there, and well, I didn't. I had an AR-630, as I discovered. This plane has the F-16 this one has the F-16 gear receiver in it, and so she thinks, this plane thinks it's the F-16 e-flite. So there you go, folks. That's the Freewing F-16. Great flying plane. I didn't like the way I tried Flaperons. I just don't have enough control with the aileron, and that just freaked me out. I'll have to play around with that. So, all right, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget, safe family and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.